What is up? This is your LA in a minute, and I'm here in Burbank at Chili John's, the longest continuously operating restaurant in Burbank. But that's not why I'm here. I'm here because Chili John's has a recipe dating back to the 1800s that was learned from actual cowboys on the wagon trail. What? Let's get into it. John Isaac was a Lithuanian immigrant who had a taste for chili, and he learned the recipe from cowboys in Wisconsin. So it was there that he began making that recipe, and he made it well enough to open a saloon by 1900. Now at the saloon, he served lemon box iced pie, beer, whiskey, and chili. And the chili was so good, he earned the name Chili John. So the chili was a time-consuming 20-hour recipe, but it was good. And by 1902, Chili John's had become a staple in Green Bay. So he registered the name and created the logo, the same logo that's still in use to this day. So Chili John's thrived in Wisconsin, becoming an institution locally and nationally famous for their chili, in no small part due to John's son, Ernie, who helped run the restaurant along with his wife. But by 1946, Ernie's wife developed tuberculosis, so they decided to move west and open a new Chili John's, in turn helping her condition in the nice climate of California. And they opened one of the first two buildings to appear on Burbank Boulevard. Ernie and his wife opened this exact restaurant with the same U-shaped counter that you see today, and also included this lake mural, which now at this point is almost 80 years old and still stands. Being located in Burbank, it was right next to the Disney Studios, and Chili John's actually became one of the favorite haunts of Walt Disney himself, as well as many other animators from the Disney Studios. Meanwhile, the original Chili John's was thriving in Wisconsin and was frequented by football head coach, Hall of Famer, and announcer John Madden, who made Chili John's even more famous nation and even worldwide. In the early 2000s, the restaurant was sold to Gene LaGuercio, who promised to keep it exactly as it was, and it still is. And even though he passed away, his wife Debbie and their sons Anthony and Alex still run the restaurant, and let me tell you, the chili is amazing. So Chili John's, it's been here in Burbank for almost 80 years, but it's been making this same chili recipe from the cowboys, from a chuck wagon, for 120 plus years. And it's right here in Los Angeles. All right, LA, it's been a minute.